Alright, how's it going, everybody? I'm out in the garage with the Jonsered 630 again. We're gonna start taking it apart. I've got you on my gimbal, so if things get crazy or look weird, it's the operator error. Nah. Okay, well, I didn't waste any time. I got the handle off. Nobody needs to see that. Got all the covers off. We all know how to do that. So I'm going to set you right here. And maybe right here. Excuse me for having my heater on. It's code. So I think this will work. Sorry, maybe I should have got you set up before I started recording. Oh well. So like I said, I already got the handle off when I was cleaning it. Bare wire, right here. On the whatever this part of the coil, what is the CDI in the coil or something crazy? Anyways, there's a bare wire it's broke through, so that needs fixed. That could be a problem. And like I said, the really bad fuel line, good and squishy. When I was cleaning it with the air compressor, I had to take the idle adjustment screw off the carburetor. I didn't see it. Down in there was a piece of wood jammed up in there, covered by sawdust. I couldn't get the piece of wood out unless I took the screw out, so I did that. So yeah, that was funny. Now what we're gonna do, I think I'm just gonna try to undo the muffler, undo the linkages for the carburetor, undo the cylinder screws, and then just pull everything up all at once, and then take it apart after that. I already kind of started on the muffler last night when I was cleaning, because the dog was on upside down and it was driving me nuts, so I had to flip it right, which is basically all the screws you gotta take out to pull the muffler. This little this screw here likes to be held by the metal tab of the muffler. Which is no big deal, but it's like it's got a second set of threads. Get this out. I pulled the spark plug and looked down in the cylinder. From what I can see, it looks pretty clean. There's one spot that has one little line on it, and it looks like it might be new. So I don't know. We'll see. Okay. Take the air cleaner off. Hopefully I'm still in frame here. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. Been watching a lot of John's custom saws lately. That guy's pretty crazy. I like his stuff. He got quite the little feud going on or whatever. Pretty entertaining. I don't know why. Okay. But anyway, I just got done watching his video with this race chain on the NOS saw and his other ported one. Pretty impressive. That race chain made a hell of a difference. Hell of a difference. Okay, I got the choke off. Pop the throttle linkage off without busting anything here. Hopefully. Jesus Christ, what the hell's going on here? this is taut in there. It's taut. There we go. Just had to put my purse down and do it. Okay, linkage is off, so the carb should be pretty well free, besides the little little screw guard thing for the adjustment screws. Don't care about this fuel line. Get that thing off. Man, that's really soft. Holy crap. I'm surprised this thing even ran with that fuel line. Okay. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. Right. Yeah. Okay. Sorry if I'm hyper. I've got a massive headache and I've just been downing oodles of caffeine trying to get it to go away. Headache's not went away, but I am motivated to do some things. Okay, so I think now I'm just gonna crack the cylinder screws loose, and I think it should just fall off after that, hopefully. And then the old Jonsered, just like all the other Huskies. I don't know why. Look at that, 3/16. Not metric. Or if it is, I don't have it. I don't know. I hate showing that because I feel like I'm being silly or something, but just tap it down in there to make sure I got it all the way in the Allen socket. I would be pretty embarrassed if I rounded out a screw on camera. In fact, I'd be so embarrassed I'd probably just stop filming, delete the video, act like it never happened, and then just show you guys the finished product. Alright. Last one. They weren't very tight, I can tell you that much. Oh, there's one. Can't find the hole. Story of my life. Okay. Yeah, the saw is pretty dirty. Pretty dirty, full of sawdust. It's gonna need some extensive cleaning. In fact, I might need to blow it off one more time before I pull this cylinder. I already see some stuff I've missed. But first time working on a Jonny Red, which basically working on a Husky, so it's no big deal. Kind of excited for it, you know. Been a few months since I worked on a saw, actually. Been so focused at work with that new laser and everything, and then sorry I never even got to post any of the install because it was completely different than what I'm used to, and it just didn't work that way. It was more of a, you get everything set up for the technician and he's gonna go behind and just cram it all together. So it was pretty dirty, nothing really to look at. Seems like the cutting videos have gotten some good views though, so that's cool. As a laser and a laser operator, it seems to be an okay machine. Still too early to tell, but there's things I like about it, things I dislike about it. But I'm also biased towards my other lasers. Anyways, back to chainsaw stuff. Okay, we've got her all Loosey goosey, loosey goosey. So hopefully now, I might have to loosen this one further down here. Okay. I just need to, ooh, magnet. Okay. I'm just gonna shoot this with the air compressor one last time. Mainly around the base of the case, the base of the case, where the cylinder sits. Oh, here, I should probably turn you this way. Okay, okay. All right, here we go. We are going to try to fish this off. This stupid rubber thing for the carb is gonna get in my way. Sweet, popped right off. Okay. Oh man, I got a big old chunk of doo-doo down there. Okay. Here we are. Here we are. All's one unit. Let me grab my flashy lighty. So here is this cylinder. So that was the one little score I was talking about. I got a piece of carbon maybe flaked off and just got it. Other than that, I think it's just been used. Not bad at all. Really doesn't even have that much carbon buildup. So that's cool. The top of the, God, this is difficult. Yeah, the combustion chamber, not too bad. So that's cool. That looks good. Okay, and then we'll set this over here. There's the case. You know what? I'm gonna try to get fancy here with the old gimbal. Wrong way. Wrong way. So, go down, we'll zoom you in a little. This that's one of those, whoops, that's one of those thin ringed pistons, isn't it? I believe that's one of the thin ringed ones. What was it? I think it was just the other day I was watching an old Tin Man video, and he said that those thin rings, you can buy the pistons but not the rings anymore. So maybe, well, they're not stuck, so that's good. Maybe we'll just reuse these. I would think a thin ring might be kind of cool, less parasitic drag, right? The piston looks in great shape. Just that little bit of scoofing right there, which was probably just a little piece of carbon. So, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I don't know if you guys, yeah, you can kind of see that. My hand's kind of in the way. The crank doesn't really look like it's been hot. Nice and golden. There's no crazy scores in the crankcase itself. Sometimes one of my saws, or one of the saws I have, there's a big old scratch in the case, and it's like, whoa, what the hell is that? So internally looks good. I hope that hold on. Like I said in my earlier video, my little short, it runs really bad when it gets hot, so I don't know, I hope that's not like a precursor to crank seals going out. Like, it gets hot, everything starts expanding, then the seals start leaking. But then when it cools, because he said it runs really good when it first fires up, and after you get a little bit warmed up and you start going, they said after you get about you know, $10 in or so, he said it starts going all over the place. So I don't know what that means, but so far it looks pretty good. A couple little things. I honestly, I don't know what to do other than clean it up and put it back together, and I probably should have ran it before I even tore it apart, actually. Oh well. I wanted to get a video out for everybody. So I'm going to end it here. We're at 15 minutes already. My long videos don't seem to do well, so that's okay though. But yeah, this is it. I am going to strip it of this stuff, clean it up better. Going to pull the piston off, check the rod bearing. The rod itself is still nice and golden brown. It doesn't look like it's been hot, so that's good. Hopefully it's okay. Well, thanks for watching. It's not meant to be educational, but I don't know. I like doing it for you guys. Okay, have a good day. Till next time.